Numerical reasoning. You are asked to evaluate 99 raised to the power 0 minus minus 2 squared plus minus 3 squared minus minus 4 squared. Okay, so isa-isa muna nating i-handle yan. Any number raised to the power 0 is 1. Okay, minus 2 squared is 4. Minus 3 squared is 9. Minus 4 squared is 16. Okay, so yung mga plus and minus signs, so minus, na-retain ko yan, ni-retain ko yan, ni-retain ko yan. Okay. This problem is about your ability to handle sign numbers. Okay. So, bakit ko to iniba ang color? Pinagpareho ko ng color yung mga negative para mabilis akong mag-handle ng addition, subtraction. Okay, minus 4 at minus 16 together, magiging minus 20 yan. 1 and 9, yung mga positive, together is 10. So, ang akin na lang i-handle yung minus 20 at plus 10. So, ano yon? Minus 10. This is numerical reasoning. 1 and 1/4 subtracted from its reciprocal. So, una is you need to convert this into a fraction form. How do you do that? 1 is equivalent to 4 over 4, and 1/4 is 1 over 4. Together, it becomes 5 over 4. So this is equivalent, ito ang 5 over 4 is equivalent to 1 and 1/4. Okay, so balik tayo sa question. 1 and 1/4 subtracted from its reciprocal. So, ano ang reciprocal ng 5 over 4? Diba? 4 over 5. So, ito is subtracted from its reciprocal. So, ito muna, subtracted by 5 over 4. So, reciprocal ng 5 over 4, di ba? 4 over 5, kabaliktaran, reciprocal. Okay, so 5 over 4 is subtracted from its reciprocal. Then how do you handle this? You need to find the least common denominator, which is 20. So 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4 times 4 is equal to 16. So 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5 times 5 is 25. So etong 4 over 5 minus 5 over 4 is equivalent to 16 minus 25 over 20. Okay, so the answer is minus 9 over 20. Meron ba tayong answer dito? Yes, meron. The table below shows the distribution of a group of 120 college students by gender and major. If one student is randomly selected from the group, what is the probability that the student is a history major? Okay, so you have here the gender, you have the majors. Ang importante lang naman, eto, hindi mo na kailangang isum ito lahat kasi given na. At history ang atin, no? So, hindi naman sinabing female or male, basta history. So, buong ito. Okay? You need only to know that there are 42 history majors in 120 college students. So, ito lang yung kailangan mo. 42 over 120. Okay, this is another algebra problem. It goes, the sum of two numbers is 13. One number is 7 less than thrice the second number. Okay, so find the larger of the two numbers. Kailangan na naman natin i-translate into mathematical expression. Okay, so let us have x as the second number. Okay? Dito, second number because the other number, ang sinabi dito, one number is 7 less than thrice the second number. So, unahin ko muna yung second number kasi yung isang number can be expressed, okay, in terms of the second number. It says thrice or 7 less than thrice of the second number. And the second number. So yung isang number, sabihin natin first number. Okay? 3x minus 7 because it says 7 less than thrice the second number. So if your x is the second number, 3x minus 7 is the first number. Now let us handle the solution for x. Let us try to find x. Yung first number ay yung unang number at yung second number together. This is the second number, this is the first number. Together gives a sum of 13. Okay? So we solve for x. 4x is equal to, transfer ko yung 7 sa kabila. 4x is equal to 20. And so x is 20 over 4. X is equal to 5. And the other number, the first number, 3x minus 7 is 8. Okay, so the first number, the bigger, the larger of the two number is 8. Meron ba? Okay, and together 8 and 5 will give you 13. Here's another problem. This problem involves logarithm. It goes, if log 27 is equal to x and log 9 is equal to y, then find log 2, 4, 3. Una muna, ating tingnan anong relationship nitong 9 and 27 dito sa 2, 4, 3. And then you find out that 27 times 9 is equal to 2, 4, 3. Now, if I, okay, this is a product. Okay? This is a product. 27 times 9 is equal to 2, 4, 3. So, if I find the logarithm of a product, pwede ko yung isa-isahin. Okay? Log of 27 times 9, pwede ko yung isa-isahin ng log 27 plus log 9. Okay? Log of a product, log of x, y, di ba nasa ano yon? Nasa math yon. Log of xy is equal to log x plus log y. Okay, so in this case, log of 243, which is 27 times 9, which is a product of 27 times 9, pwede itong i-express in terms of log 27 plus log 9. So, balik tayo dito. Di ba? Log 27 is x, and log of 9 is y. And so, log of 243 is x plus y. Okay, solve for x. 7x squared minus 5x is equal to 2. I can rearrange this so that I bring 2 to the left side of the equation. Pag inilipat ko tong 2 sa kabila, magiging 0 dito. Ganyan. So, this is now your quadratic equation where you have coefficients. So, this is coefficient A, this is coefficient B, and this is C in quadratic equation. And there is a solution to x when you encounter quadratic equation. And this is the formula for x, where you make use of the coefficients. Okay, so ito yung A, 7. Ang A is 7, ang B is minus 5, at ang C is minus 2. And all you need to do is plug the values into the quadratic formula. Ito yung quadratic formula here. Okay? So we solve for x. Magiging dalawa ang values for x. Okay, so 5 plus or minus the square root of 81, which is, ano ba yung 81? 9 times 9 over 14. Okay, so your x, if you consider the plus sign, 5 plus 9 over 14, 5 plus 9 is 14 over 14 is 1. If we consider the negative sign, 5 minus 9 is equal to 4, minus 4 over 14. So, 1 and minus 4 over 14. Ano ba yung minus 4 over 14? Atong isimplify, magiging minus 2 over 7. So, meron ba tayong answer? Okay, meron.